In this video, I have a good news for all of you guys because Merlin lifetime deal is back again on the app Sumo for this Black Friday. Plus, you can get the 10% extra discount here. So if you don't know what this amazing tool, let me tell you. With this tool, you can access all the premium AI models. For example, you can access this tool on the web. You can access on your mobile devices. Plus you are going to also access on all around the web pages, no matter which website you open, whether it's your Gmail, replying the email, or you want to use it for getting the summary or summarize video or comment the highlights or doing the any research or creating content for your blog post, social media. You can use anywhere. You have to just click here on its Chrome extension or browser extension, and after that you see it is going to offer you all those premium AI models that you can access from here. It has the ChatGPTs, all the premium models. It has the Lime, it has the Claude, it has the Gemini, Mistral, all these premium AI models with a single click you can use. For example, I have selected here ChatGPT 40 that I have to pay to access for the around $20 a month to the OpenAI, but here I don't need that because I am using the Merlin AI. So once I selected that thing, I can also click here to access the web page, and if I select here in depth or the turbo, it is going to research the web page I am opening here. So not only I am going to generate the content, but analyzing the content I am opening in the tab, it is going to generate the content for me. Plus it has also chatbot available. I can use it to generate the image. It has also so many extra other AI apps available in this platform. If I click here on the AI tools, you can see it has the essay writer, it has the image generator, it has the AI humanizer, it has the paragraph rewriter. You can also use it for the image generator, or you want to generate the AI for you can also use it here. So this is the Merlin.ai, and right now its lifetime deal is back again. It's been only the around 30 minutes it's back again and the live with the lifetime deal and already the 11% claim. So this is the last chance, and I think around the 1 or 2 hours this fully deal is going to be stock out again. So make sure you get it. And if I click here on the buy now, you can see the pricing starting from the $69, but I'm going to get it on Black Friday, so I will get the 10% extra discount. Here you can see 10% off for the Black Friday 2024. So get it with the 10% discount, and this is the last chance. And suppose after buying you are not happy with tool, you can return it, because all the tools on the app Sumo right now is available with the 60 days money back guarantee, and along with the Merlin you can also check it out these other Black Friday software deals here. So that's all. Bye bye, take care, make sure you get it before you miss out.